Hello friends, today we are going to dive into a quick review of a really useful platform called Simplified AI Book Writer. This tool helps you create books, stories, and articles effortlessly using artificial intelligence. When you land on the website, you will see that Simplified offers a full set of tools for writers, marketers, and creative teams. The AI Book Writer stands out because it allows you to generate an entire book in just 3 simple steps. Enter your idea or outline, select the writing style, and hit the Generate button. The AI then produces a text you can easily edit and expand. Let us now take a look at the pricing. Simplified offers a free plan which gives you 2,000 words per month. If you need more, the paid plans are available. The most popular plan, called Simplified 1, costs $29 per month when billed annually. It includes 100,000 iWords access to GPT-4.7 social media channels, 100 iDesigns 50 AI videos, 200 minutes of AI clips, 90 minutes of AI subtitles, 5 AI chatbots, and 4,000 messages. You also get 1 user seat and 5 gigabytes of storage, which is quite a lot for solo creators and small businesses. The platform is extremely user-friendly with a clean and intuitive interface. You can easily switch between creating books, generating posts, designing images, or managing social media. All your projects stay organized and accessible right from the dashboard. Some pros of Simplified AI Book Writer are fast content generation, multiple creative styles, integrated editing tools, and solid AI quality. As for the cons, the free plan is limited, and if you are working on very large or complex projects, manual editing might still be needed. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you do not miss more awesome reviews and tips. See you in the next video.